Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Power Automate for lead handoff into Dynamics 365 step by step clearly. Open Power Automate on your computer or navigate to the website. Log in with your Microsoft credentials. Once logged in, click on Create from the left-hand menu. Select Automated Cloud Flow. In the pop-up window that appears, enter a name for your flow. Choose a trigger for your flow, such as when a new lead is created. Click on Create to establish the flow. Now, you will set up the flow's trigger. After choosing your trigger, configure any necessary parameters. Click on New Step to add an action. Search for Dynamics 365 in the list of connectors. Select the appropriate action, like Create a Record. Choose the entity type where the lead should be handed off. Fill in the required fields with dynamic content from the lead. To do this, click on Add Dynamic Content and select the appropriate lead fields. Once all fields are filled, click Save at the bottom of the window. Your flow is now active, but it's time to test it. Navigate to the Lead section in Dynamics 365. Create a new lead to trigger the flow. Monitor the flow's execution in Power Automate. Check for any errors in the run history if the lead does not transfer correctly. Adjust the flow settings as needed based on the test results. With the adjustments made, test the flow again for successful lead handoff. Once confirmed, your setup for lead handoff into Dynamics 365 is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.